Para sa Balitang Europe,
Commander's Award last
Bong
Tuesday.
Resting Peruzan, London.
Mula London ay dinala na sa Maynila ang librong nagbibigay ng tips sa mga Pinoy na gustong makipagsapalaran sa Inglaterra. May report si Jean Alcantara.
Matapos ilunsad sa London, sinungo naman ng mag-partner na UK Immigration Advisors na sina Charles Kelly at Cynthia Barker ang Maynila para doon itaguyod ang libro nilang How to Come to the UK to Live, Work and Study. Sa tulong ng veteranong journalist at ngayon ay isa ng media consultant na si Corito Fiel, ay pakilala sa mga mambabasang Pilipino ang aklat. Naging abala sina Kelly at Barker para sa pagpapakilala ng kanilang libro. Hindi naman malimutan ni Kelly at Barker ang pagbisita nila sa programang Wow Wow Wee ni Willie Revillame.
Wow Wow Wee was a program with so much energy. My head is still ringing from the music and the buzz. No, it was really good. Thanks, Jean.
Okay,
Fantastic show.
There was a lot of energy in the show, and girls were, fabulously dancing, and God, it's really loud, but it was fun.
Bago ang book launch, nagpatawag muna ng news conference ang dalawa para ipakilala sa miyembro ng media ang kahalagahan ng kanilang libro. Dinumog naman ang pagdaraos ng book launch na ginanap sa Fully Booked Bookshop sa Power Plant Mall, Rockwell Center. Kabilang sa mga dumating sa book launch ang mga kilalang personalidad tulad ni na Manila Mayor Lito Atienza, former Governor Dick Soto, Dr. Margie Holmes, San Pablo Tourism Director Ellen Reyes Lopez, writer Bing Carion, at politician spouse and mother Gloria Baby Angara. Patunay ang dami ng dumalo sa book launch na marami ang gustong pumunta ng United Kingdom para magtrabaho.
I know you've come from all different places, family and friends, and friends. Magandang gabi po, so enjoy that. And the book, as Charles said, is written for all of us, for the immigrants and people who have the burning desire to succeed in life, and that's what it's for.
All Filipino people who want to come to London, and we want them to come in the right way, to go down the right road, to learn the proper way of coming to the country so that they don't make mistakes which cost them money. This book is written for you. It's our gift to the Filipino people, if you like.
Para sa Balitang Europe, Jean Alcantara, London.
Ipinakita ng mga batang Pinoy mula sa